Welcome back to the Herbal Historian. Today we explore a spice so precious it has been called red gold, a thread so delicate, yet so powerful, it shaped empires, inspired legends, and remains the most expensive herb in the world. This is the story of saffron. Saffron's history stretches back over 3,500 years. From the palaces of ancient Persia to the temples of India, saffron has always been a symbol of wealth, purity, and divine connection. It was cultivated in Crete during the Minoan era, treasured by Egyptian pharaohs, and even mentioned in the Bible's Song of Solomon. By the Middle Ages, saffron was worth more than gold, fueling trade across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. In every civilization, saffron was not just a spice, it was power. The saffron crocus, Crocus sativus, is a delicate flower with violet petals, a bright yellow stamen, and 3 crimson, red stigmas. It blooms for only 2 weeks in autumn. Each flower produces just 3 threads, harvested by hand, making saffron the most labor-intensive herb in the world. It thrives in dry, sunny climates, from Spain and Iran to Kashmir's misty valleys. In the kitchen, saffron is both a spice and a storyteller. It flavors Spain's paella, perfumes Indian biryani, colors Persian stews, and enriches French bouillabaisse. Just a few strands, soaked in warm water or milk, release a golden hue and a deep, earthy aroma. Its taste, a balance of honey, like sweetness, with a subtle, almost hay, like bitterness. For centuries, healers used saffron to treat the body and the spirit. In ancient Persia, it was a remedy for melancholy. In Ayurveda, it supported memory, fertility, and vitality. Medieval physicians prescribed it for digestion and heart health. Saffron was more than medicine. It was seen as a bridge between the earthly and the divine. Modern research confirms what history long suggested. Saffron's compounds, crocin, crocetin, and safranal, show promise for improving mood, protecting memory, and even supporting eye health. Studies suggest saffron may rival modern antidepressants for mild depression, with fewer side effects. Science is only beginning to uncover what ancient healers already knew. Saffron is harvested in autumn, when the flowers bloom for only 2 short weeks. Workers rise before dawn, gently plucking each flower before the sun wilts its petals. It takes nearly 75,000 blossoms to produce just 1 pound of saffron. Once harvested, the delicate stigmas must be carefully dried. Traditionally, they were dried over charcoal or sun-dried on cloth. Today, modern methods use gentle heat, properly stored in glass jars away from light. Saffron can last years. Though saffron is safe in small amounts, large doses can be toxic. Pregnant women should avoid medicinal use. Always source saffron carefully. Cheap imitations are often colored threads of silk or corn husk. True saffron is rare, precious, and must be respected. Saffron, the golden herb of history, a spice worth more than gold, a medicine of the ancients, and a symbol of the divine. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. Next episode, we'll uncover the secrets of another legendary herb. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep history alive.
From ancient roots to modern day, nature's secrets light the way. Healing herbs, their stories unfold. Timeless wisdom, worth more than gold.